So we just finished our four-wheel drive session out of Phoenix area, and doing our run around before hitting the road, we discover a little glitch here, so we'll have to change our wheel. So the job we need for this tool is very similar to a normal car, although maybe a little bit bigger. That's the ratchet and that's the jack. So the biggest problem here is to remove those tires from the from the deck. Now before lifting it up, we'll crack the nuts open. So the axle is lifted. We lost a piece of wood for our jack stand, so we had to improvise, but it seems solid. So what now? We just need to torque them. 296 foot-pound or 400 Newton meter. They're already at 250. I'm just finishing it up. just need to torque them again in 50 to 100 kilometer. The wheel is a bit less than 140 kilo, so we just attach it with a strap and a pulley to do a double line, so I use my half the strength because it's already heavy enough. Now everything is cleaned up. I took the opportunity to check the torque on all wheels and check the air pressure on all tires. So it's time to go.